Hey Akansha, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
All right. Can you see my aunt?
Yeah, I can.
I
Hi.
अच्छा से देखा है
Tiny background.
ये नहीं पूछा
All
Should I
right.
start?
Yeah, I think we can start. And then whenever she'll be playing the game, I'll be taking her video from my phone.
Okay, cool. Okay, so here we go. Hi, Chetna. My name is Akanksha, and I'm going to be walking you through this session today. I'd like
है
to begin by thanking you for making time to speak with us. Your
कि
feedback is valuable and will help us determine on our user testing for a game. Just
ओके
to confirm, we would like to keep this session to 15 to 20 minutes. Does that still work for you?
maybe little less
Okay, we'll try to keep it as short as we can.
yeah
Uh, okay, at if any point you need to take a break or need to stop, just let us know. During this session, I'd like to start by asking you a few questions around the game. Later, I'll ask you to participate and accomplish few tasks using the app we are evaluating today. Please be aware there are no wrong answers. In fact, this is probably the one place today where you don't have to worry about making mistakes.
okay.
As to go about using our app, I'll ask you things aloud as much as possible to describe that what you're looking and what you're trying to do. Just to give a small warm up, before we start with the app, I'd like to inform you about our study and then ask you some questions about yourself.
Okay.
Our study is intended to assess the needs of elderly population in North America with respect to gaming. We wish to learn and form an understanding of our users in depth to or in order to provide a possible gaming solution based on our findings. Now let's talk a little about you. Roughly how many hours a week altogether do you spend playing online games at work or at home?
I am a housewife, so I'm at home only, and because of the lockdown, I'm totally at home. But in a day, say I around play half an hour, not at a stretch, but
Yeah,
10 minutes, like half an hour a day.
okay, that's good to know. So, what kind of games do you usually play, or like, do you go and check them out?
I just play word cookies
Okay,
because I like to spell. So I'm very good at spelling, I feel. And Candy Crush, Solitaire,
okay,
not much of games, but just two, three, not
okay.
much.
So, how do you like? Do you like to play? Like, do you like games which are single player, or do you like to have your friends play along with you?
No, no, single play, single play.
Okay, and what's your favorite online game?
That's word cookies.
Okay, now we will go ahead with a user task.
Okay.
So, do you have a functional mobile phone right now?
Yeah, yeah, I have it.
Okay, so task number one, your friend recently told you about a game called Sort It 3D. Find the game on your app store and download it on your phone. It's spelled as SORTIT 3D.
It's 3D. This, right? Wi-Fi is very slow. Sticks. attachment sound charge.
So she has the game now, Akansha.
Okay, so that completes our task 1. Now we'll go to task 2. Now you need to open the game on your phone and play it till level 7.
So till level 7. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I have to start with this. Okay.
You can talk to us about anything, like how you're experiencing the game, if you want to.
Another. Okay. I'm on level 4 right now.
Okay, so 3 more to go. How are you feeling about the game? Like,
Yeah, feeling good. बराबर करो दीदी.
ये सब तो बात करो like
Okay.
इनको add आ गए.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sorry, I'm not talking because I'm busy doing this.
okay, no worries. You don't have to talk if you don't want to. That's completely fine.
It's not like that I don't want to, but I'm
No, 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 it's
so.
okay. Don't worry.
Maybe I made a mistake. You enjoy your studies?
I do.
Yeah. No, sorry. I'm on level 6 now.
Okay.
I decided properly. Hmm? There's an ad going on right now.
Okay.
Much of ads. Yeah. Okay, now again I'm starting the 7th level, okay?
Okay.
I completed the 7th level.
Okay. So that completes the task number 2.
Okay.
So now that we're completed with what we wanted to test, so what was your feedback about the game? Like, what did you
I
feel?
really enjoyed the game. Really
Okay.
enjoyed the game. Yeah.
So is this something that you would like to play? And since
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
like,
I would like to play it again and again because I have never played this game before. But I would
okay.
like to play this.
And what were some of the frustrations that you felt like maybe like was there something that made you feel that could be improved on the game?
Yeah, once I did a mistake, I thought I would have done some other move before that I did the other one, like so. But I will improve by playing and playing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the ads between it's boring.
And is it easy for you to like operate the game?
Yeah, yeah, it was very easy. Yeah, yeah. I could understand how to do it and everything.
Okay. So yeah, that was all we had for today. So thank
Yes.
you so much for doing this.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank
Do
you so
you
much.
have any questions for us?
No, no. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay. So thank you so much and yeah.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.